Are you preparing for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud Intelligence Accredited Professional exam? What if just one video could help you avoid common mistakes, understand real exam logic, and boost your confidence before test day? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down Salesforce Accredited Professional exams using real-world scenarios and high-quality AP-215 practice questions. If you're a Salesforce marketing professional, consultant, or developer aiming to get certified, this video is for you. The Marketing Cloud Intelligence Accredited Professional, also known as AP-215, validates your ability to implement, harmonize, and analyze data using Salesforce Marketing Cloud Intelligence. It's a 90-minute exam, 40 questions, with a 60% passing score, and it focuses heavily on real implementation decisions, not memorization. Here's the truth. Most candidates fail not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack exam-style practice. That's why AP-215 practice questions are critical. Question 1. What are unstable measurements? A. Measurements with aggregation set to auto and granularity none. B. Measurements using lifetime aggregation. C. Measurements with aggregation not auto and granularity none. D. Measurements with aggregation not auto and granularity not empty. Correct answer. C. Explanation. In Marketing Cloud Intelligence, measurements become unstable when aggregation isn't automatically handled and no granularity is defined, leading to inconsistent results across dashboards. Question 2. Which three entities or functions can be used when building a calculated dimension? A. VLOOKUP function. B. Mapped dimensions. C. Extract function. D. Calculated dimensions. E. Mapped measurements. Correct answers: A, B, and C. Calculated dimensions rely on lookup logic, existing mapped dimensions, and string/date functions like extract. This is a highly tested AP-215 topic. Expect variations of this question on the exam. Question 3. Which Marketing Cloud Intelligence field is an attribute, not a variable? A. Campaign category. B. Device category. C. Device browser. D. Geolocation. Correct answer: A. Explanation. Attributes describe entities and remain stable. Campaign category fits that definition perfectly. Variables, on the other hand, change with user behavior or session data. You're asked to extract deluxe from this campaign name. Which three harmonization methods achieve this? A. Calculated dimensions. B. Patterns. C. VLOOKUP. D. Data fusion. E. Mapping formula. Correct answers: A, B, E. Explanation. This is a classic harmonization scenario. You use patterns to identify delimiters, mapping formulas to isolate values, and calculated dimensions to output the final result. Notice the pattern? AP-215 questions rarely ask what something is. They ask how to solve a real customer problem using the platform. If you want real exam-level AP-215 practice questions, structured exactly like the Salesforce Accredited Professional exam, check out Prepbolt. You get scenario-based questions, detailed explanations, and coverage across all weighted domains, from harmonization to calculated dimensions. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment AP-215 below. Your Salesforce certification journey starts with the right practice questions, and you're already on the right path.